Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and I'm here in Denver, Colorado. I took an early flight this morning. I thought I'd take advantage of some of the pre-market activity that I saw. Today, I ended the day a little bit over $1,000. All positions are closed. As you guys can see, I mainly focused on DGAS today, a total of 7 orders. And I want to talk about, what I saw. And if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, you would have seen that I was posting a couple updates of natural gas selling off, focusing on direction, and I want to talk a little bit more about that. So today was the natural gas report. That's why we see this big push up, but I actually didn't trade after the natural gas report, and it was because I already hit my, and exceeded my daily goal. My daily goal is $500 profit. I saw a decent amount of opportunity within the pre-market session that I was able to not only hit, but actually exceed my daily goal. Therefore, yeah, I could have made obviously a lot more money based off of how things played out, but with the idea in mind that I could have also potentially given some back. So therefore, I decided to close my day at $1,089. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So as you guys could see within the trade ideas section for Learn Plan Profit, one of the biggest focuses that I had was the direction of natural gas. Again, the pre-market session for natural gas begins at 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you're in Arizona, again, you do fall under this category where you begin to see that this thing begins to trade in between the middle and bottom VWAP. The overall direction of natural gas is selling off, so it's a descending pattern. And then on top of that, there's a very consistent pattern that this thing is getting rejected by this EMA line. Therefore, there was no breakout pattern until we actually began to make higher highs here. So this really allowed us to make a decent amount of profit on DGAS itself. There's one other play that I had, and this is one that I shortly want to talk about. And it's again, I talked about this thing approaching this middle VWAP and trading between the middle and bottom VWAP. So if this pattern continued, we just had to wait for confirmation. So it approached the middle VWAP again, just like it did before. It pulled back, it broke below the EMA line, and then it began to sell off just like it did before. So I made a little bit of profit on that, therefore altogether exceeding $1,000 profit, closing out the day green. So again, we did see the natural gas report. Natural gas report was in favor of natural gas. It did push up. Again, usually and normally it does not last for a very long period of time. This is a perfect example of this thing pushing up, consolidating, and then once it broke below the EMA line, we had a lot of Learn Plan Profit members absolutely kill it by simply staying patient, waiting for confirmation, and following through with that pattern, and then locking in profits at any indication of a reversal. So very happy with how the day played out. But again, I'm going to go ahead and head on over to Breckenridge, and I'm actually going to be snowboarding tomorrow. So I just wanted to come at you with this quick little recap on my overall day, how the natural gas report played out, but how I didn't even have to trade it because of the pre-market session. So again, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I think today's a perfect example. Yesterday, I was really struggling. I think a lot of you guys can agree with me. The market was just consolidating. It wasn't moving much, and I just wasn't having the most effective nor productive day. And I ended up not hitting my daily goal, and it became, very aware to me that I almost felt like I was wasting time because I was spending so much time just sitting behind a computer screen watching literally nothing, right? But then there's days like this, and this is what's here to empower you. It's the, we are here to seek opportunity, and when it presents itself, we take advantage of it. Until it presents itself, we should be able to, stay disciplined and actually be able to hold back. And I'm really happy with how things played out, how our members became so patient to not take a position yesterday and then just wait to see what today had to offer. And then once we saw what was being offered with the series of opportunity, we're solely able to take advantage of it. So again, altogether on the day, $1,089.15. All positions closed, all on DGAS with a total of 7 orders. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this recap. Also, if you guys haven't joined our free Facebook group, we are the largest Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. That's going to be that first link down below. And you heard me talk about them in this video. If you want to work with me on a closer basis and join the Learn Plan Profit group, feel free to click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about it, and see if being able to watch me trade live every single day would be something that would be a good fit for you. I really do appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.